think this event is a really good way of bringing the laser community together. It's really good for people to catch up and see what the latest developments are.
The MTC have allowed the visitors to get onto the shop floor, stand in front of the equipment and actually talk to the people with the knowledge who use this equipment on a day-to-day basis to solve customers' problems.
Laser technology offers businesses across all industry sectors an opportunity to improve their products and improve their processes.
MTC can bring different companies together to understand some of the challenges that we have, to allow them to be able to target the right projects.
It's about getting together to understand our strengths, their strengths, and how we bring those together and do some great stuff for the future.